Most of our students come from all over the province in all aspects of life. So we see people fresh out of high school. We see people that are coming from a career change.
I chose to become an RMT because I wanted to care for people.
I went through a big surgery, and then after the surgery, I had gone physio and even massage therapist for a while afterwards. And seeing what they do, seeing all the people that are coming in for their help really inspired me.
I got into it because I was a licensed massage therapist in the States, but I wanted to be better. And the programs here are much more in depth, and they have a much more extensive curriculum.
One of the questions we get asked all the time is, do I need a background in human anatomy studies to get into the program? And no, you don't. Our program offers great core fundamental principles of anatomy and physiology so that you can be successful in the program.
I was surprised to know that we'd be learning about in-depth neurology and pathologies.
And then also with RMT, you learn so much about the human body, something that inspires me and it also intrigues me.
We pay for our instructors to attend certain adult skills workshops and things like that better educates them. And that comes back to our students because they're learning from some of the highest educated professionals in our industry in the province.
Instructors here are great. A lot of them are RMTs.
They want you to ask questions. They want you to critically think, not just internalize the information, but also to treat them safely and to treat them effectively.
The class sizes are small. I think that benefits me because I do get more hands-on time and learning from other teachers and instructors.
We always want to make sure that our students are successful in our program, but once they graduate, we really want to make sure that they're successful outside of school and contribute to being part of a greater profession.
I feel like Langara prepared me, honestly, for the experiences I've had so far, and a lot of it came from the amazing staff that I got to work with.
Yeah, I would 100% recommend going to Langara for the RMT program.